Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to solve USB device not recognized and how we can fix this. Alright, the first option that we want to do, or the first solution, is go to Start, go to Settings, and then right here click right in the top on Windows Update and make sure that your Windows is up to date. So right now I will install this Windows Update, and then right after that we need to reinstall our PC or restart, and then probably it will work. But if it's still not working, then we close this and we search here for Device Manager, enter, click on Device Manager, and then right now what we want to do is go to USB, and then right here click on this, click right mouse and then update driver, then search automatically for drivers, and then right now he is saying the best drivers for your device already installed. So make sure that you did that, and then also click here on yes and restart your PC, and maybe after that it will work. Then right now what we want to do is we want to search from here for the uppers, the universal serial bus controllers, and then go to USB root, because what we need to do now is click on your right mouse click, go to properties, then go to power management and turn off the allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Do OK, and right now do this for the other one too. And then right now there it is, solution 3. Alright, the fourth and last solution is to update your GPU. So what we want to do now is go to search for CMD, right mouse click and do run as administrator, and then do yes. And then right now, write down, we call it as GP update, but it's a little bit strange, but just GP and an update, and then do enter. And then he's updating the policy. And then after this, make sure that you restart your PC. And then after solution 4, it probably solve your problem. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.